Hello YouTube, Buck Star Blaster, War Thunder Noob here. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We are going to play some lower tier tanks, and we're going to be playing at a level that's going to be a bit higher than what we have rated for. But that's okay, this is going to be fun. We're going to go for some very aggressive gameplay and see what we can do. We're going to be starting off today with the Panzer 38 TA, then the Panzer 35T will back that up, and then after we've been killed a couple times, we'll resort to the Panzer 2C. And that's going to be a lot of fun to see whether we can even do any damage. But it's all in the name of fun, so let's go. Let's see. White Rock Fortress. I've never played this map before. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens. Okay, here we go to battle in the Panzer 38T.
Attention to the map.
Now, the interesting thing about the Panzer 38 and Panzer 35 is that they are not actually German tanks. Germans used them. They're Czechoslovakian vehicles. So what happened was when the Germans occupied Czechoslovakia, they of course inherited these and continued production, and for its time it was a really good tank. But of course you just saw radical advances in tank technology during World War II. You start off with this stuff, pretty soon you've got, T-34 comes along, which leads to the Tiger and the Panther. Wow, look at that. And eventually the King Tiger. Well, it looks like we've gotten ourselves in a racetrack around the edge here. Now this tank is really fast, and the gun reloads fairly quickly, but I don't know whether we're even going to be able to damage the vehicles that we're going to be going up against. Anybody out here? I don't think we could even get up that. Should we try? Let's try. Let's see if we can even do it. Come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. And we'll find ourselves right in the middle of a battle. Oh! Struggling. And we are stuck. There we go. That was lame. All right. 35T, here we go. And this time let's just get right into it. You're supposed to be doing aggressive gameplay. That was not aggressive gameplay. That was horrible. We want to at least take some shots at some of the bad guys here and see. This tank is so much slower than the 38. Oh, look how it's struggling on this easy grade here. This is, oh my god, this thing is so slow. Oh, there's a 42G. Let's see. Artillery strike. What do we got here? This guy does not know that we're even here. He's Trying to back up for some cover. Alright, come on. Aggressive gameplay it is. Oh, they're shooting at us. Here we go, come on. Bad guys over there. Maybe we're just small and fast enough to avoid getting hit. Let's see if we can get something going here. I know there's some bad guys over here. Come on. Yeah! We actually got a kill. Unbelievable. I didn't know if we could even do it. Wow. Nobody else around? Surely there must be some bad guys around somewhere. Look at this old castle. That's amazing. There's some guys to our left. Come on. Oh, we're so dead. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Ah! Oh! Well, we actually got one kill. Amazing. Look at that. Went right through us. We didn't stand a chance against that 75mm gun. Alright. Last ditch. Here it is. With a 20mm cannon. Now I'd be really surprised if we could penetrate anybody's armor. But it does shoot fast. It's a semi-automatic. So, maybe if we can... And here we go again, this slope. But this thing, this tank should move pretty quick. What do we got? Off to our left. Yes. Bad guys. Let's go get them. Our only hope is in speed. So we don't have anything else going for us. Oh! Come on. I can't believe we just got over that. We had no business getting through that at all. Come on. Oh yeah, let's get in here. Maybe we can surprise somebody. Panzer IV. Maybe he won't see us. Someone else probably will, though. Well, that's it. Looks... Look at that. Alright, let's play one more map with this strategy. This is fun. See if we can do better next time. Okay, here we are, back again in the 38T. This map is Advance to the Rhine. Another map that I do not know. I think I might have played this once before. Yeah, I did. Now, let's see. We'll follow this guy. Assume maybe he knows where he's going. I do remember that a lot of these pathways end up blocked.
Enemy forces have captured a zone. Allied forces have captured a zone.
What do we see? Oh, look at that. One thing about this game that I really love, the maps are just amazing. As somebody who grew up playing Oh! No! No! No, we can't. Oh! Oh well. So before we were so gloriously destroyed, I was saying that as a kid who grew up in the 80s playing an Atari console, to see how computer games have evolved is, to me, just amazing. I know some of the younger players out there probably just take this stuff for granted, but the fact that they can get things to look so realistic just amazes me. Let's go get them. It's supposed to be aggressive gameplay. Here we go. Oh! These things just do not have a chance. Look at that. Bam! Yeah. This is like... Alright, here we go. Panzer 2C. This is like high school football players going up against pros. Come on. Oh, I can't even steer this thing. Come on out. Come on out. I'm gonna get you. Well, that's it. No chance at all. But this is fun. We'll keep going. We actually got one kill in the first battle, which is surprising. We'll do one more map. Okay, here we go. Third battle. In our lower tier, weak vehicle attempt. I don't know this map at all. Whoa! So I don't even know where I'm going right now. Can I get through this? Yeah. Wood does not stop. Tank. Right or left? What should it be? We'll go right. Why not? Well, these guys are firing at something. Whoa! Nothing. Oh, this is wide open. We're gonna get killed so fast. A Cromwell.
Allied forces have captured a zone.
If we stop, we're just dead. Oh, that's a tank destroyer. Oh, he's shooting at us. Close with the enemy.
Allied forces
Our only real hope is to keep moving. Oh, look at this. We are going to be so dead.
Attention to the map.
A Panzer III. We are no match for the Panzer III. Wow! Unbelievable. I think that's like the only chance we have is to pull stuff like that. A Stug 3. There he is. Yep, but we got him to go back a little bit. Come on. Let's go up on him.
Commencing attack.
Maybe we can just screw him up enough. Oh, there comes somebody that can take him out. All right. Let's follow our buddy here. Whoa. Let's learn how to drive. Ah. Yep. As I've said before, having to look down at the keyboard a lot. I haven't developed the muscle memory on these controls. What's he shooting at? Maybe we can get a shot in too, or help him out somehow. Yeah, it's over here. Maybe somebody will appear down here where we can get him. No, right now we're basically just, this guy's in the way and we don't want to interfere with it. Hey, somebody could come back here though, huh? Let's see.
Little effort, and victory will be ours.
Let's see, let's play. Well, alright, we'll help him out with that. Let's see. No. He's just continuing to just fight it out with someone over here. Maybe we can peek over his shoulder. Uh-oh. This isn't really very exciting. I keep wondering if somebody's going to come up behind us. We got to get out of here somehow. We're not doing any good at all. Oh. Well, It was risky, but it wasn't much fun just sitting back there behind that other tank. But we actually managed to kill somebody, which again surprises me. Alright, let's try it again. Oh, this thing is such a dog compared to the 38. Whoa! KV-1. Ooh. All right. We're not accomplishing anything by playing it safe, are we? No, we're not. But, on the other hand... No. That's no good. It's hard to get the right position for the gun to traverse sometimes.
Allied forces have captured a zone.
Come on. Give me a target. Give me something I can shoot at. My turret's down too low for any of this.
The enemy is preparing for artillery barrage. Repeat, the enemy is preparing for artillery barrage.
There we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. We are just not. We just cannot sight in on anybody.
Attack the B point.
Come on. Oh, a T-34. Come on.
Attack the B point.
All right. Time to do the aggressive driving thing.
Our solo effort and victory will be ours.
All right, boys, I'm here to help. Come on, give me a target I can lock on to. Something. Man. I just cannot get a target. Well, we got one kill. I'd say that's about enough. Let's see where we're at. How did we rank? Oh, we got a battle trophy. Elevation mechanism. Okay, that's good. So where was our stats? At the very bottom. Well, that's what you get for playing such low-tier vehicles. Alright. There it is. The 35T. Thanks for watching.